Hi, my loves. Do you believe that those mini twists are just 2 weeks old? Yes, they are just 2 weeks old, 14 or 15 days old. And you can see how they are looking, right? So, guys, by the end of this video, you will know if mini twist is the best protective hairstyle to retain length or not. Okay, but first of all, let's take down this hair because they are looking very weird and rough. I can't continue wearing them, so I'll be using water and my bare hands to loosen my mini twist. Okay, so guys, let's start by taking down this 14 days old mini twists that are looking like something that I've stayed on my hair for 2 months. So guys, as you can see, I've already loosened this part, so I'll be using the other parts to show you all what I am doing. Okay, so I sprinkle water on a twist. After sprinkling water, the twist will become very soft to unravel. There are so many naturals now that don't believe in sprinkling water on their natural hair. I don't know if my natural hair can thrive without water. So immediately I sprinkle water on the twist, it may even start unraveling on its own. It makes the hair to be very soft and easy to take down. And guys, as you can see, I'm not using any comb in this process because I want to be doing more of finger detangling, because I manipulate my hair a whole lot, and if I keep on using comb anytime I want to do a hairstyle on my hair as a content creator, I lose a lot of hair. So I'm doing more of finger detangling. Okay, and that is what we'll be doing throughout this video. And by the end of this video, you will see a proof that natural hair can be detangled with just the fingers. Guys, please, I'm having a little bit of cough, and that is why my voice is like this. Bear with me, okay? So guys, as you can see, I went off camera to do the other sections of the hair, so it just remaining this section at the front. So I'll just take out a large portion, sprinkle water on it, and start detangling it section one by one. Okay, so guys, let's talk about if mini twist is the best protective hairstyle to retain length and grow out a healthy natural hair. Guys, to me, if I want to leave my hair for a very long time, like if my goal is length retention, I will not go for mini twist, and these are my reasons. 1, mini twist gets old easily, like they become frizzy, they have a lot of flyaways easily. Like as you can see, my hair is just 2 weeks old and you already saw how they are looking. Okay, and you cannot wash your hair in mini twist. If you wash your hair in mini twist, like many of the twists are going to unravel on its own, which is not what you want because you are planning on keeping the hair for a very long time. And if you still went ahead to use mini twist as a mode of retaining length, you have to be redoing your twist every week or every 2 weeks. Anytime you are about to wash the hair, you are going to redo your twists. And mini twist also, you cannot run your hands through your hair. Like if you are the type that you get bored with one hairstyle and you try to put your mini twist in a different style, you cannot run your hands through it because you're going to encounter knots. Okay, you're going to encounter knots in between the twists. When you encounter that knot, you are likely to pull them out, thereby causing breakage to your hair. That is another thing. That is another downside of wearing mini twists. Okay, so my advice is that if you want to retain length, go for mini braids. They last very longer. You can wear your mini braids for as long as you want because they start getting frizzy at around a month, but you can still manage it to 2 months before thinking of redoing them or washing your hair. Okay, and you can also wash your hair in mini braids. If you wash your hair in mini braids, it won't unravel. They will still be the way they are. And mini braids don't have lots of flyaways. they don't have lots of flyaways, and they keep your hair looking stretched out, unlike mini twists that shrink up after making it. After stay for some time, it will just shrink up. Okay, so that is that. And if you're a natural hair content creator that always make hairstyles with your hair, and you still want to retain length without protective styling, because if you're in a protective hairstyle, you are limited to working with your hair, you don't get to do your styles all the time. So if you want to still retain length while leaving your afro like that, so that you can be styling them anytime you want, learn to finger detangle. Okay, learn to finger detangle so that your hair doesn't break out so much. Okay, I've learned how to finger detangle my hair, and I'm so happy. I've been doing finger detangling since last month, which is May, and we're in the month of June. I'm loving it, guys, and I'm seeing changes in my natural hair. I never thought I can deal with finger detangling alone. I thought I can't do it, because there was a time I wanted to do it, but at a point I couldn't. I started using combs again, but this time around I have made up my mind to always finger detangle my hair. So guys, as you can see, we are done with taking down the twist. We are finally done with taking down the twist, as you can see, and this is what my hair looks like. So let me go ahead and loosen out all this lash twist that I made, so that you guys are going to see how my afro is looking. Okay, ta-da! So guys, after series of finger smoothing and detangling, this is what my afro is looking like, and I love it so much. So guys, this is a little length check as always. Guys, if you have watched up to this extent, thank you so very much. I really appreciate. Please don't forget to click on that subscribe button to subscribe to my channel and be part of this natural hair family, and also like this video so that it will help the algorithm to push the video more to other people. See you in my next one. Bye.